Hello, welcome to my channel, The IT Guy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos easily. So for that, open YouTube and open the video you want to download. Here I have selected my own video and I'll click on it to open it. Once it is open, you can pause it or if you want, or don't pause it if you don't want, but go to the URL after that and place SS before the YouTube, so it will be www.ssyoutube.com, and press enter. It will take you to savefrom.net and you can download this video from here, and you can choose the required resolution. If you want 720, you can choose 720 or 360. I will choose 720 and I'll download, and here you can see it's downloaded. Please use this for educational purposes and not to steal anyone's work. If you find my videos helpful, do like my videos and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.